Earth Sound 2020, a gift of nature's sound. We celebrate our Mother's Day with wishes and gifts. It is the most touching appreciation that one showers to the womb that brought us into this world. Today and every day is Earth Mother's Day. Our parents and theirs were born from her womb. She is our universal mother. Have we ever gifted Earth Mother for her love and care? Many of us wouldn't even know April 22nd to be Earth Day. It is high time we value her presence all through the year. Let us make a difference. Let us celebrate Earth Mother every day. Let us present her with a caring and loving gift. Give Earth Mother back what belongs to her, a gift of nature's sound. Let us serenade Earth Mother. Before that, let us switch off human music. Let us play the sounds of air, water, fire, gravity and ether. Let us play the sounds of animals, insects, fishes and all things natural, including the sounds of extinct life forms. Let's fill her with the sounds of her children. It will surely help her to heal graciously. The damage we have done cannot be solved within a day. Playing nature's sound daily would certainly make a change. We should continue this even after the pandemic crisis. Radio and TV stations should play nature's sound at intervals. This practice is known as mirroring in science. The artificial sounds of nature will merge with existing nature's sound. What our environment needs now is nature's positive memories. Though it is digital in nature, the memories of the sound pattern would help in strengthening the sound vibratory field. We have too much of noise in our environment. Let us reduce spectral noise and help Mother Nature. Let us save our home, our environment and our lives.